Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hamna Khan and I am from Tanol IR. Currently, I am enrolled in Batch 2 Phase 2 of PITP and I am enrolled in Java Development course. Java Development is building software apps using Java. It involves coding, testing, and making applications such as for web, desktop, and enterprise system. In Java Development course, I learned about the fundamental concepts of Java. I learned about the object-oriented programming principles, which involves the classes, objects, polymorphism, and inheritance. I also learned about the variables, data types, which are essential for programming language. I also learned about the control structures, which involves the if-else statements for the flow of the programming language. For me, the significant part of this course was the connection of the database with the Java applications. I also learned how to connect the Java applications with the database by using the JDBC. In this course by PITP, I made various class assignments, which were the car management system, bank management system, account management system, flight reservation system, employee file splitter, and so on. At the end of the course, teacher assigned all of the students to make their final project, but my final project was patient health monitoring and management system using database. This system incorporates the login and sign-up system. The login system was only for the patients so that they can access their patient reports, while the sign-up system and the login system was for the staff and the doctors. Patient health monitoring and management system using database incorporates the secure login and sign-up system. The login system was only for the patient so that they can access their patient reports by using their user ID and the name, while the login and sign-up system for the doctors and the staff. Staff has the access to add patients, delete patient, update patient, and view the patient reports, while the doctor had the access to view the report of the patients and monitor the health of the patient. The purpose of this system is the feasibility of the hospitals so that they can access the patient data easily. This also eliminates the paperwork. My vision is to leverage Java skills to build solutions like healthcare apps, medical devices, and biomedical data processing systems. I'm thankful to Sindh Government, Mehran University, and PITP. And a special thanks to Mehran University because they entertain us with various and amazing workshops.